Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Troubleshooting ENV, Python, no such file or directory in AWS CLI. Introduction. When working with AWS command line interface, AWS CLI, you may encounter an error like ENV, Python, no such file or directory. This error typically occurs when the system cannot locate the Python interpreter specified in the shebang line of AWS CLI scripts. This tutorial will guide you through troubleshooting and resolving this issue. Step 1. Confirm Python installation. Ensure that Python is installed on your system. You can check the installed Python version by running the following command in your terminal. If Python is not installed, download and install it from the official Python website, https://www.python.org/downloads. Step 2. Check Python path. Verify the location of the Python interpreter by running. This command will display the path to the Python interpreter. Make sure it matches the path specified in the shebang line of the AWS CLI script. Step 3. Update AWS CLI script shebang line. Edit the AWS CLI script causing the issue and update the shebang line to point to the correct Python interpreter. Open the script in a text editor and look for a line similar to. Change it to. This change ensures that the script uses Python 3, which is becoming the standard. Step 4. Make the script executable. Ensure that the script has the execute permission. If not, grant it by running. Replace your _script _name with the actual name of your AWS CLI script. Step 5. Run the AWS CLI script. Try running the AWS CLI script again. Replace your _script _name with the actual name of your AWS CLI script. If the issue persists, ensure that the correct Python interpreter path is used in the shebang line. Conclusion. The ENV, Python, no such file or directory error is often caused by a misconfigured shebang line in AWS CLI scripts. By confirming Python installation, checking the Python path, updating the shebang line, and ensuring script executability, you can troubleshoot and resolve this issue. Following these steps will help you run AWS CLI scripts seamlessly on your system. ChatGPT.